Hi everybody, it's me Sissy back with another springtime wreath for you. I'm going to make a, I was going to do a tulip wreath, but I was not happy with the tulips at, oh hush, hush, it's okay. Was going to make a tulip wreath, but the tulips didn't look good, so instead I got these lovely Crocus. They have the tulip shape, but they're just smaller. And I wanted to do a solid color, but again, I couldn't get enough of them to make the wreath. So I've got an assortment of colors. I got pink, yellow, lilac, and purple. And we're going to put them on the Dollar Tree wreath form. And I may or may not use this beautiful little spring sign that says keep life simple. I love the colors in it and the glitter. And y'all don't pay attention to my dog. He wants to go outside and he's not going. And I got some ribbon because we may put a bow, or it just depends on how it turns out. I just wanted to show you in case we do use these things. But anyway, let's get started. We're going to get right to it. I'm going to show you how quick and easy and simple this is. You will need scissors and some wire cutters and some floral tape. Now they do have this at the Dollar Tree, but I just picked this up at Walmart because I could get 3 rolls for $1. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my bundles. You know how I love to make a bundle and stick it on a wreath, but I'm just going to take my stem of crocus and my wire cutters, and I've taken the leaves and pushed them up to where they're even with the blossom on here, or the bud, and I'm just going to cut it off. Just like that, and then I'm going to take my floral wire, floral tape. You could do this with wire too, but I wanted to do it with the tape. I think that would be a little more secure. And get your tape started. But anyway, I'm just going to take it and wrap it around kind of tight. Hold that bunch together. And anyway, we're going to go ahead and do that to all my bundles. I have 12 bundles. I had estimated that I would need 15 to make this really full and really pretty, but I'm going to do it with the 12, and if I don't have enough or if it looks skimpy, then I'll add the sign and the bow. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and cut all my bundles apart and get the tape put on them. Okay, I got all my bundles laid out and everything, and my first estimate was right. You would probably need at least 15 of the bundles of crocus to do the whole wreath and it not look skimpy. I went back to my Dollar Tree, tried to find some more. I actually went to 2 different Dollar Trees and couldn't find any. So I am just going to have to make do with using some of this baby's breath in it. It's going to change the look a little bit because it would have looked so nice with just crocus. But anyway, we got to learn how to adapt and be flexible. So we're going to use this interspersed between the crocus, and it'll add a little lightness and a little pop of white to it. But anyway, I'm going to adjust the camera now, and you can see how I put the bundles on there. So all we're going to do is we're going to take our bundle of crocus. We're just going to lay it on our wreath. Take our floral tape. Now you could do this with floral wire if you wanted to. I just like the flexibility and the ease of using this floral tape because it's stretchy and It's inexpensive and you don't need any scissors or clippers. You can just break it off whenever you need to. But you want to get your bundle in there. And you don't have to worry about securing the first one really tight, because it's going to kind of build on itself, and the next layer will kind of anchor the first layer. So we've got one. Now we'll do the next one, and then I'm going to speed the video up so y'all don't have to watch me do this. Okay, there you go. You have your Crocus spring wreath. You can use that for Easter or spring. It'd be beautiful for a wedding. You could also just put it flat on the table and put a vase in the middle of it, and it'd make a lovely centerpiece. It doesn't even need a bow, but if you wanted to add a bow, the little colors that I got, they match with it really good, and all this ribbon's available at Dollar Tree. You could also add a little sign if you wanted, which I may do to mine after Easter, is just put that sign in the middle that says "Keep Life Simple." But anyway, that's my wreath for the day. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. So get out there and make something. Perfect. Bye, y'all.
Bye.